Welcome to this tutorial on Get-Alias, one of the most useful PowerShell Cmdlets for understanding command shortcuts. In this video, you'll learn how aliases work in PowerShell and how to discover the full names behind common shortcuts you might already be using. An alias is a shortcut or alternative name for a PowerShell Cmdlet, function, or executable. Think of it as a nickname for a longer command. Instead of typing the full command name every time, you can use a shorter version that's easier to remember and faster to type. Let's look at some common examples you've probably seen before. The alias ls points to get-child-item, which lists files and folders. The alias cd points to set -location, which changes your current directory. And the alias cls points to clear-host, which clears your console screen. These aliases make PowerShell feel familiar if you've used other command line interfaces. The simplest way to use get-alias is to run it without any parameters. Just type get-alias and press enter. This command lists all aliases available in your current PowerShell session, showing you every shortcut and what it represents. It's a great way to explore what shortcuts are built into PowerShell. If you want to find out what a specific alias does, use the name parameter. For example, get-alias-name ls shows you exactly what command the alias ls represents. This is helpful when you see an unfamiliar alias in a script and want to understand what it actually does. You can also work backwards. If you know a Cmdlet name and want to find all the aliases that point to it, use the definition parameter. For example, get-alias-definition, get-child-item shows all aliases that represent the get-child-item Cmdlet. This helps you discover shorter ways to type commands you already know. There are several great reasons to use aliases. First, they provide speed, letting you type faster with shorter commands. Second, they boost efficiency by reducing keystrokes in your daily tasks. Third, they offer familiarity, allowing you to use commands from other shells like bash or command prompt. And finally, they give you flexibility with multiple ways to run the same commands. Here's the key takeaway. Use get-alias to discover shortcuts and learn the full Cmdlet names behind them. This knowledge helps you read other people's scripts, write more efficient commands, and understand PowerShell at a deeper level. Practice using get-alias regularly, and you'll become more proficient with PowerShell in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.